Welcome back to Learning with a Difference. News headlines in English for 2nd April. And first of all, national news. No coercive steps over 3,500 crore demand tax relief for Congress. Centre rejected reports of change in new income tax regime from April 1. Won't participate in elections, promise unfulfilled. Eastern Nagaland Group. Premier probe agencies spread too thin, cautions Chief Justice D.Y. Chandrachud. India is set to experience extreme heat during the April to June period. Extreme heat to scorch India during election period. India's defense exports crossed 21,000 crore mark for first time. Vistara cites operational reasons for flight delay cancellations over last few days. GST collections hit 1.78 lakh rupees crore rupees in March, second highest ever. Now international news. Diversity programs slowly disappear from US campuses amid culture wars. Japan's moon lander put to sleep after second ultra chilly lunar night. Mysterious illness, Havana syndrome, linked to Russian intel unit, a report said. Iran alerted Russia to security threat before concert hall attack, a report said. Imran Khan's jail sentence suspended in draft appeal. And Lanka's Tamil parties plan to field presidential candidate from community. And now some sports news. IPL 2024 MS Dhoni reached sensational T20 milestone with fiery cameo versus Delhi Capitals. As a designated wicketkeeper batter, MS Dhoni has scored 7,036 runs in T20s. Changes in IPL 2024 dates. KKR's home game to be rescheduled. Business related news. Adani Group stocks in heavy demand. Adani Energy jumped 8%. GST collections hit 1.78 lakh crore in March, second highest ever. Passengers can now exit through airport departure gates in case of flight delays. Centre rejected reports of change in new income tax regime from April 1st. And that's all in news. Thank you.